What is your name?
Uh, my name is Candelaria Mangulad Bora. I am 51 years old.
Okay. What is your religion?
I am a Christian.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have son or daughter?
yes.
How old are they?
My elderly is a son and he is 28 years old. The second is girl and she is 26 years old.
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 7 and 6 months, 7 years and 6 months.
Okay. Do you have working experience in other countries?
It's only here in Hong Kong.
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
It's 7 years and 6 months
Where is your latest employer living in?
in Homontin,
Homantin? Okay. How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square feet.
How many family members are they?
Only one,
Only one? Elderly?
one and the elderly,
Grandma?
grandma,
How old the elderly?
94 and a half.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Uh, in my purpose, because we will bring her to the elderly center, we wake up 6:30 or 7 in the morning.
Okay, then.
Then after that, we prepare popo for bathing and breakfast and bring to the coach to go to the elderly center.
Okay. After that, go back home.
After that, I go with her in the elderly center to accompany her.
For how many hours?
9, 10, 11. We stay there for 9:30 to we stay there for 9:30 to 12 noon.
Every day?
Sometimes 3 days or sometimes every day.
Okay. So, do you do the household chores also?
Yes, I help in the household chores
Like what?
like cleaning and cooking,
Okay.
ironing.
Okay. So, do you prepare dinner?
Yes.
What time?
Because Popo always eat early because Popo eat more than 1 hour on the table because we are feeding her and we should give the food to her at 5 o'clock,
Okay. Until what time you go to sleep?
8, 8 to 8:30.
Where will you go on your holiday?
I go to church only.
Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
Um, Caregiving,
Taking care elderly?
taking care of elderly.
Okay. What is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I was working in a boarding house taking care of students and they are 40.
Okay, thank you.